Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if team status not updating. So if your team status is stuck on available or away, busy, or offline, try these solutions. So first, make sure Microsoft Teams is running and you're signed in to the correct account. So your status won't update properly if the app is disconnected or log into a different account. Next, manually change your status. So click your profile picture in the top right corner. Now select your current status and choose available or the status you want, just like so. If you've set a status duration, you can clear that and let Teams manage your presence automatically. If the issue continues, you can fully quit Microsoft Teams. So you can right click the Teams icon in the system tray and select quit. Then open the app again, press enter and wait for it to load. So once opened, check if that solves the problem. Next, you should also check for updates. So click the three dots next to your profile picture in the top right corner and select check for updates if available and install any available updates and restart Teams. Next, you can also restart your computer. So go to start menu, then click the power button, then click restart. And once turned on, open Teams again and see if that solves the problem. If none of these steps work, you can sign out of Teams. So click your profile in the top right corner and click sign out right here. Then click sign out to confirm the action. Then sign back in or reinstall the app to replace any corrupted files. And that's how you can fix Microsoft Teams status not updating on your PC. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.